Welcome to this short ab focused workout where you're going to be moving with the Pilates Series 5 exercises. 5 exercises, all focused on the abs. Hi, my name is Beth and welcome to Trifecta Pilates, where we come to the mat to get an effective workout so you can step off your mat and enjoy your day. If you're ready to get started with this ab focused class, join me on the mat. Let's go ahead and begin laying down onto your back. Hug the thighs into your chest, take hold of the ankles, and exhale, curl up deeply into yourself. Maintain this upper ab curl. One leg reaches forward, opposite leg stays pulling into you, switch sides. Breath out, breath in. Breathing out and in. Deep breathing supports you through the entire series. Pelvis staying nice and still right now. Keep curling up. Almost there with this exercise. Exercise 1. Pause. Pull both thighs into the chest. Double leg stretch. Inhale. Exhale. Arms and legs reach away. Circle arms, bend thighs. Inhale. Exhale. Focus on the stretch. And then the circle and bend. Focus on the reach, circle and bend. Breathing in and out. 2. One last time. Very nice. Pull both legs up to the ceiling. Take hold of one, opposite leg splits forward. Gentle pull, pull, switch. Pull, pull, switch. Breath out and in. Staying curled up high. Feeling a nice stretch in the back of the leg. Continue breathing deeply. Bottom leg reaching to the floor, staying very straight. One more time, each side. And next time, both legs come up. Grab behind the thighs, curl into yourself a little bit more. Squeeze legs together, hands go behind the head. Double leg lower and up. Double leg lower and up. Breathing in and out. Feel the low spine stay on the mat. Head heavy in the hands. Strong legs. We got 2. And then one more exercise. Reach the legs in front of you. Bend the thigh in. Rotate to that thigh. Switch sides. Crisscross. So you can breathe out, breathe in. Legs very strong here. Same leg movement as our single leg stretch. Just adding a rotation in. Keep breathing. Keep moving. We're almost there. Curling up high. Head still stays heavy in the hands so you're not pulling on the head at all. One more time each side. Pull the thighs into the chest. Rock and roll yourself up. Take some breath for yourself. Inhale. Exhale. So that was a very short experience, and that's okay. Focused work doesn't have to be long to be effective. You can combine this ab series with any other workout. And no matter where you go today, I really hope that you stay connected to your center. Have a beautiful day and join me on the mat soon. Thanks so much for moving with that Pilates class. And don't forget to like, subscribe, or comment if you enjoyed that routine. You may also like these other recommended Pilates workouts. Always keep coming back to the mat in the way that's best for you.